Hi everyone, this is David Sambor, and on behalf of Philippe Lecoute and myself, welcome to a walkthrough of the newly finished products and payments part of the new WalletPush software. So basically what we have incorporated here is that businesses can create their own store cards, memberships, events, all of the different types of things that they would want to offer their customers. So again, whether or not you're running a loyalty program, whether or not you're running a store card, memberships, or events, online events, virtual events, or one-time events, that you're going to be able to create products within the dashboard here. So within the products and payments, what I can actually do is create store card, so I can have custom amount. I've got a preset amounts. I upload an image, create that store card. What that does on the back end, that automatically creates a Stripe product, a Stripe price ID, and syncs that with your Stripe Connect. So we've already done that in the settings. We've got the Stripe Connect. So as you can see, we're already connected, so charges and payments are enabled. And when with the API, every single time you create a product, what it does, it actually, again, on the back end, creates the product, it creates the price and the product ID. So that in the members area, people can obviously top up their store cards. If you're going for things like recurring memberships, so again, could be a wine club. This demo is for the Sambor Beach Club. So what we have here is VIP access for £25 per month, where you gain access to our VIP areas and private beach cabanas, reserve VIP table priority and exclusive access to upcoming events. So I can edit these, I can update these, and basically what I'll show you is then that, so I can create memberships here. So the membership name, the billing interval, yearly, weekly, daily, monthly, the description of it, and then the different features, so you can add multiple different features. And then we have events. So here we have events. As you can see, I've created a Sunday seafood buffet. So what can happen is the customers of the Sambor Beach Club store card could actually purchase buffets from within their dashboard. So here I've got join us for a Sunday seafood buffet every week for an all-you-can-eat selection of fresh fish and shellfish, free cocktail hours from 11 till 12, £50 per person. So here what we can do is we can create different types of events. So we've got classes, workshops, event experience, service, again for coaches, for training, or alternatively merchandise. So let's say I'm doing a service, and this one is, let's say in the beach club, we're going to be doing, Indonesian cooking class. And we're going to charge, let's say we're going to charge £25 for that. Learn how to create traditional Indonesian cuisine. We can set a capacity limit, so we can say, okay, so we've got a maximum of 15 participants on this. We're going to set a specific date for this. Let's say we're going to do that this coming Saturday, and we're going to do that at, let's say we're going to do that at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's say it's 3 hours. Location, Sambor Beach Club. So again, I create the event here, and that would show up in the dashboard. So again, all of these different things, so store card, memberships, and events and services. So again, what I want to do is I want to show you how that looks in the app. So let me just turn on my reflector 4 so I can actually share this with you. Okay, so hopefully you can see the, so this is the members, this is my members area. So as you can see at the top, it's got my logo, the Samba Beach Club preferred guest, Batman, I'm Batman for the day. I've got 1,535 points. I've got an available balance of £75. Here we have this, again, this is, like a banner ad. So the business, Sambo's Beach Club, can let its members know what's coming up. So again, Seafood Sundays, we've got the seafood buffet. We've also got all of these different events. Then we have the QR code scanner. If you've watched the POS training, then you'll understand what the scanner is about. And then we have the available products, the products that I've just added. So as you can see here, we've got the seafood brunch, we've got the VIP monthly membership, and then we've got the store card functionality. So if I click on the buy now, what's going to happen is that's going to go to the checkout for Stripe, and I can select whatever I want. I'm not going to go through this because this is live. I've actually set this up as a live, so I don't actually want to be charged £50, but basically I run tests that what happens when you actually click on that, it takes you back to your dashboard. Once you've gone through the payment, it takes you back to the dashboard. And obviously all of the different transactions would show up in your recent activity. If you've topped up your store card with £50, that would show here. If you've registered for an event, then again, that will show up in your recent activity. I'm going to be adding a few more things to this dashboard, but now WalletPush, I am happy to say, is now fully e-com ready. So you can do store cards, you can do memberships, you can do online, offline, paid events, non-paid events, things like, again, selling a particular product. Again, memberships are great for, when you're having, a monthly membership, a wine club, for example, where you have certain benefits for being part of that membership. So the whole WalletPush now has evolved into becoming something super powerful, but also something super simplistic to be able to create all of these different types of programs, whether or not it's a store card, whether or not it's a membership, whether or not it's online events, offline events. We now have a fully functional mobile wallet app with member dashboards and some really cool functionality. So we do have, again, there's a couple of spaces left for the lifetime deal before we launch. We are looking at an official launch date of the 7th of November. So again, stay in touch when we go live with this on the 7th of November. Then obviously, if you obviously want to offer this to businesses, that's going to be available from the 7th of November. But if you do want to get in now, I highly recommend that you grab one of we've got 2 seats left for the lifetime. So if you want to get in early, now is the time. So on behalf of Philippe and myself, catch up soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're super excited for where WalletPush is at right now, and obviously all of the future developments that we're going to be adding in. So take care. We'll catch up soon. Bye bye.